Hi everyone! Today we're making chicken pesto bay. So we need 2 pounds of chicken breast. So I cut them into 8 pieces. And then we have tomatoes. So we have 16 tomatoes sliced. And then we have 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And we have basil pesto, 1 jar, and salt and pepper, and cooking spray. So now we're gonna heat our oven to 350, and then we're gonna arrange it into the baking dish, our chicken. So now we're gonna spray our baking dish from baking sheet, and then we're gonna put the salt and the pepper here. Since we put the chicken. Then we can put our chicken. So it gives flavor first before we put our pesto, our tomatoes, and cheese. So I'm gonna wash my hands. It's gonna be like this, and then we put more salt on the top too. And then the pepper, brown pepper. So after we sprinkle the salt and pepper, we're gonna put our pesto in each chicken breast. So we put one teaspoon each. This is 2 pounds chicken breast. So we'll just finish with one small jar. Small jar is like 6.5 ounces. So this is good for 2 pounds of chicken breast. Just put everything. Alright, so after this one, we're gonna put our tomatoes. So now we're gonna put our sliced tomatoes. We put 2 each sliced tomatoes in each chicken breast, or already sliced it. So I use our mandolin to slice the tomatoes. It's like a quarter thicker, the tomatoes. After the tomatoes, we put our mozzarella cheese. We put it on the top. So it depends, you put a little or you put a lot. So this is 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. So it's like 1 ounce each chicken breast. So this is ready to bake. So 350 for maybe for 20 to 30 minutes. So there you have it. After 20 minutes, our chicken is done. Now we make sure it's gonna be 165 and above. So it's the temperature is 180 something. So it's done. So now it's ready to serve. To make a good partner for our chicken baked pesto, we also use 1 box of couscous. It's like 2 cups. And then we're gonna boil the water. It's 1.5 cup. So, and we need, I just use olive oil. I don't have rapeseed oil, so I use this one. So maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then salt. Let's put salt in the water. We're gonna let it boil. So now the water is boiling. We're just gonna turn up the heat, and we're gonna put this one, and we just gonna stir. This is you need to like remove from the heat. So we're just gonna stir until the liquid is done. So this is gonna be ready for after 5 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes. So we use the couscous spinach. So this is easy cooking. Just boil and then put salt and oil, and then put the couscous, and then we'll see after 8 minutes. So there you have it, our chicken pesto bake with couscous. So now it's time to taste. Try the couscous and the chicken pesto bake. So there you go. So delicious. I hope you guys gonna try it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Bye bye.